It's the Driving Home Stage, brought to you by Lone Star Beer, the national beer of Texas.
In every radio interview and everything, they've asked me, what's your favorite track on the record? And I always reference West Texas Rain as my favorite track because of that reason, because it does summarize the whole record, the whole place I am in my head and everything right now. I'm very happy. And, like I said, I hope you hear it within the record. I mean, it's a different sound. It's still a Wade Bowen sound overall, but it's a different sound. It's a different feel.
Mind playing it?
Oh, yeah.
Can you do it? I'm ready,
Sure.
man. You gonna put me in on this one?
Yeah. Well, I have been restless. I have been reckless. I've been a strain on my mama's heart. I've been a drunk and I've been a dreamer, pulling the strings on this old guitar. I found a few answers, I still got questions, kept it together and falling apart. And I got secrets and stories and old shoebox memories, choices that I'd like to change. And I got teardrops and laughter, and me chasing after years ago, quick as they came, like a West Texas rain. Like a West Texas rain. I've been a lover, and I've been a father. Well, I've been a brother, and I've been a son. I've been a preacher, and I've been a sinner. If you can name it, I've probably been one. I'm strong for the struggle. I'm constantly reaching for something that I've never done. And I got secrets and stories and old shoebox memories, choices that I'd like to change. And I got teardrops and laughter, be chasing after years ago, quick as they came, like a West Texas rain. Like a West Texas rain. Your eyes and hold on, 'cause we're here, then we're gone. It goes just as quick as it came, just like a West Texas rain. Just like a West Texas rain. Just like West Texas rain. Just like West Texas rain. Ooh, yeah.
Like my part there at the end, yeah. I waited for my... Yeah, that's a good song.
Thank you. That's the hard. It's funny how sometimes you can write songs and it's like, wow, I have to sing that every night now.
Yeah.
It's one of those vocally ones, like, wow, okay.
You need a glass of water and a break now, correct?
Oh, yeah, we're good.
Wade Bowen hanging out, self-titled album in stores. It's Wade Wednesday now. You got one more in you?
Sure.
A sing-along.
Sing along.
We all need to sing.
All right, we'll come back. We'll think about that. Then I got to ask you about. Yeah, exactly. It's always awkward with this one. We got to talk about this weekend, Texas Tech and the Longhorns. To get your thoughts on that, and then Rita and I will tackle something that she's been hitting you up on. Your hat. We'll talk about that next. On KOKE-FM.
I can't wait.
It's the Driving Home Stage, brought to you by Lone Star Beer, the national beer of Texas.